Namaste everyone, welcome back. I'm sure from the previous video, many of you have started eating fruits at the right time in the right way. Fruits are decoded the natural food ever, healthy food ever. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals. But did you ever know that the peels of the fruit which you throw away is also packed with antioxidants, nutrition, vitamins, minerals? In this video, let's understand which fruit peel is beneficial for your health and how it is beneficial. Let's start with the banana. Banana is a great easy to go fruit. But banana peel has more soluble fiber than the fruit itself. Banana peel act as a teeth whitener. You take a piece of a banana peel and rub over your teeth over few days and you will start noticing change in your teeth color. It starts getting white. Banana peel when rubbed over the pimple, it slowly starts fading away. It's vanish away. So banana peel is a rich source of potassium. So if you get any cramps or something, banana peel or having that white strands in the banana peel is very beneficial. Citrus fruits are also loaded with antioxidants. Orange peel is dried, powdered, and used as a face mask. It adds a radiance and glow to your skin. The same way, the lemon peels are used for skin lightening and fairness. So, if you get a tan on your skin on any part of the body, rub the lemon peel over it for a few days and you will start noticing the skin is getting lighter and fairer. Orange peels and lemon peels are also used as zest in many of the foods. It adds a different aroma and flavor to the food. Most of us have heard that people say to eat apples with the skin because apple skin has a pectin, the soluble fiber which reduces cholesterol and manages your blood sugar levels. It has quercetin, which is an anti-inflammatory and fights the brain damage and enhances your memory health. But since you get the wax over the apple, wash it thoroughly in the sodium bicarbonate water 2-3 times and then consume it with the skin. Same way, in the season you get two fruits commonly, watermelon and mangoes. Mango skin, mango seed and mango fruit all are very useful. Mango skin is a great source of antioxidants. It improves your digestion and reduces your constipation. The watermelon skin, obviously you cannot have the skin that peel because it is unappetizing, but the apart from the red flesh, if you have that white part which is called as a rind, rind, it has citrulline which is converted into an essential amino acid which is very good for your heart health and the immune system, boost your immunity. So you can blenderize with the red flesh, or you just cut into the pieces that white part of the watermelon and saute it and season it with some spices and have it, or you just make the sabji out of it. Apart from the fruits, there are certain vegetables which should be consumed with the skin. For example, potato. Potato with the skin has vitamin C, vitamin B6, iron, calcium, magnesium. It is a great source of nutrition. Same goes with the sweet potato. It is loaded with the beta carotene, which is converted into vitamin A during digestion. So vitamin A is very necessary for your eye health and for immunity, which is very much necessary during this lockdown period. Cucumbers are most commonly used for salads, but some people peel the skin. Cucumbers with the skin has antioxidants, fiber and vitamin K. So next time when you make the salad, do not peel the cucumber, in fact have it with the skin. So these are the certain fruits and vegetables which when consumed with the skin have an amazing beneficial effect on your body. But now you get the fruits and vegetable with pesticides, insecticides. So the question comes how we can consume the peel. In that case, you have to wash these vegetables and fruits thoroughly in the bicarbonate water, or you prefer the organic fruits and vegetable, which is the best option. So next time when you're having a fruit or a vegetable, think twice before you peel it and throw away that peel, because that is the part of the fruit which is loaded with nutrition, and I'm sure you don't want to compromise with your nutrition anymore. So start using the peel in a better way. If you have any questions, if you have any particular fruit peel, how it can be used, please post in the comment box. I will be coming more with such topics, with more such health related videos. Till then, eat smart, exercise enough, and sleep deep. Thank you. Bye bye.